Question number 3 for bills of exchange. Okay. Monica owes to Sita rupees 600. Monica accepts 3 months bill for rupees 590 in settlement. So for 600, 590 only needs to be paid. 10 will be our discount. On due date, the bill is dishonored. Oh, the bill cannot be paid and it has been dishonored now. Noting charges paid by Sita were rupees 15. She went to the notary public to get that the bill is dishonored and their charges were rupees 15. Give journal entries in books of Monica. Okay, books of Monica. Monica owes to Sita rupees 600. Means what? Monica has to give rupees 600 to Sita. So she is giving it by raising a bills payable Sita account debit to bills payable, and the bill pay she owes 600 and the bill payable is only of 590 in full settlement. The remainder is the discount. To discount received 10. Sita account debit to bills payable to discount received. This way the bill is accepted. On due date, what happened that the bill is dishonored. So when a bill is dishonored, we will pass the reverse of these because the bill is dishonored and we stand in the opposite situation now. So bill payable account debit by 590, discount received account debit by 10. And one more thing, noting charges has to be recovered, so noting charges also debit ₹15 rupees to Sita. Total is 615. Bills dishonored and noting charges charged rupees 15. A recap to this question. Monica owes to Sita means Monica needs to pay to Sita 600. So what she does is she raises a bill payable saying Sita account debit. Why Sita account debit? Sita was a creditor. Now I am about to pay Sita. So the debit balance will come here. Sita account debit 600 to bills payable. I pay 590 in full settlement, so 590 here, and my discount received is 10 over here. Now on the due date, what happens is she cannot pay, so I have to reverse. Bill payable account debit 590, discount received account debit 10, noting charges account debit 15 to Sita because the bill cannot be met and it has been dishonored.